Code P000C indicates a slow response from the A camshaft position actuator on bank 2 of your engine. This diagnostic trouble code affects vehicles equipped with variable valve timing systems. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1. Understanding which side is bank 2 is crucial for proper diagnosis. Variable valve timing systems optimize engine performance by adjusting camshaft timing based on engine RPM, load conditions, and other factors. The system uses oil pressure to control cam phasers. The most common causes of code P00C include low or dirty engine oil, faulty camshaft actuators, clogged oil control valves, wiring issues, and timing chain problems. Start your diagnosis by scanning for diagnostic trouble codes and checking freeze frame data to understand the conditions when the code was set. Next, verify the oil level and condition. The oil should be at the proper level, clean, and of the correct viscosity. Change the oil if it's dirty or the wrong grade, as this resolves most P000C codes. Finally, inspect the wiring harness and electrical connections to the VVT actuator. Look for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections that could cause communication issues. These initial troubleshooting steps will identify the most common causes of code P000C. Proper oil maintenance and basic electrical inspection resolve the majority of cases before advanced diagnostics are needed. When initial troubleshooting steps don't resolve code P00C, we need to move to advanced component testing and diagnostic procedures. Advanced diagnostics involves systematic component testing. We'll test the camshaft position sensor, inspect the oil control valve, verify oil pressure, and perform specialized diagnostic procedures. First, test the camshaft position sensor using an oscilloscope. The sensor should produce a clean square wave pattern between 0 and 5 volts. Check the resistance values according to manufacturer specifications. Next, remove and inspect the oil control valve for carbon buildup. Carbon deposits can prevent proper operation. Test the electrical resistance, which should typically be between 6 and 8 ohms. Check the oil pressure to the VVT system. Proper oil pressure is critical for actuator response. The pressure should be between 25 and 80 psi, depending on the specific engine design. If problems persist after basic component testing, perform an actuator response test using a scan tool. Consider an oil flow test to the camshaft actuator and verify timing with specialized equipment. In many cases, code P000C can be resolved by addressing oil-related issues or cleaning and replacing the oil control valve. Regular oil changes with the correct grade of oil are crucial for preventing VVT system problems and can prevent 70% of these issues. Remember, systematic diagnosis, starting with the most common causes, leads to successful repairs in 85% of cases. Proper maintenance remains the best prevention strategy.